Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to show you this hidden gem that not many tourists know about. Before we begin, I kindly ask you to click the like button to show your support for my channel. Your feedback is valuable to me, and it encourages me to keep creating more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As we continue our walk, we pass by many restaurants and bars that offer a variety of cuisines and drinks. You can grab a refreshing drink and a bite to eat while enjoying the stunning view of the sea. One of the best things about NovIcari Beach is that it's less crowded compared to other beaches in Barcelona, making it the perfect spot to unwind and relax. You can find a quiet spot and soak up the sun while reading a book or listening to some music. The beach is also very family friendly, with a playground area for children to enjoy.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Parents can relax and watch their kids play while soaking up the sun and enjoying the beautiful view. As we come to the end of our walk, I hope you enjoyed this peaceful stroll along the serene shores of NovIcari Beach in Barcelona. It's truly a hidden gem that not many tourists know about, and I highly recommend visiting if you're looking for a calm and relaxing day at the beach. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more travel videos.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.